Alright guys, some of you guys might have a lawnmower that doesn't work or doesn't start, and you'd be surprised, but it could be the air filter. So let me show you. I took the air filter out. Look how easy it'll be to start. So we're just going to pull this down and we'll do a light pull. Now watch what happens when I put this filter on. Well, the old dirty filter. Let me get this bottom piece in. So we'll do the same pull. So watch. It's as easy as this. Make sure you get the right part number so that it fits. It's a little tricky here. Just line everything up, close it up, pop it in. So you see, if you had this filter in, once it died, you wouldn't be able to start it back up. So as simple as a $10 filter. And by the way, that's where I got my mower. It was free because it wasn't working.